When it comes to technology, I'm a complete geek. Hip surgery is the perfect job for me because it brings together exquisite engineering and the complexity of the human body. During my career, I've seen some fantastic developments in the technology that we use for hip surgery. Resurfacing, 3D printed implants, new materials such as Delta ceramic, and the rise of the robots have all made my job easier and safer. Technology has improved the outcome of surgery for millions of patients around the world. It's never been a better time to be a surgeon and a patient. But then out of the blue, of course, came COVID. The COVID pandemic has been the catalyst for major changes in the way that we experience healthcare. Remote consultations on the phone or with apps like Zoom have taken over from many of the face-to-face encounters that we all took for granted. For many people, this works really well. But the new ways of doing things aren't always better. Let me explain. From time to time, I do a clinic where I see patients for a free 15-minute consultation. Very often, the people who come to see me have had quite a frustrating journey, trying to get their hip problems sorted out. I saw somebody recently who hasn't had a face-to-face consultation with anybody, let alone been examined. Sometimes there is no substitute for the old-fashioned ways, despite what we are told about the benefits of new ways of working. For most of these patients, all they want to know is what's wrong and where to go to get it sorted out. I can usually point them in the right direction so that they get the help that they need. Knowing where to go and what to say puts you back in control. In a fast-moving world, that's the best place to be. If you'd like more information, please get in touch, and thanks for watching.